Hey folks, I'm Caleb with Farm Boy RN. I stored my potatoes in the ground for the winter. It's been -2 degrees Fahrenheit outside. It's time to dig them up. I need some more for the house. My wife's gonna cook potatoes tonight, and I've been running low on my stash from the fall. Let's get started and check them out. And my potatoes are looking good in there. I got some more in here. Let's see, I got a sack of them here. Oh, yeah, I got my sweet potatoes in there. But let's check those out. Looks like my sweet potatoes don't like being stored in a bag. At least on the surface, a little bit of mold, but I'll wash that right off. So I'll eat some of these today. I'm gonna put my seed potatoes back. Like I said, I got them covered in newspaper so that they don't sprout. So here we go, we'll pour some in there. I'll save the rest for later. Yeah, that should be enough for a week or two. All right, you guys, quick takeaway on the potato digging today. Burlap sack, it seems like the sweet potatoes don't like them as much. Obviously, I got plenty of them in here and they're still good to eat, but they don't like the sack. Kind of makes it kind of moldy in there, it seems like. So glad I dug these up. We'll eat these right now before they get any worse. The normal potatoes really like what I'm doing and how I'm storing them. So they're nice and hard and plump. I still have some really nice big ones in there. I'm just eating all the weird little ones first. I saved the big ones further through the winter. So, all right, that's it, you guys. Like, subscribe, stay practically prepared. Until next time.